Hello, my friend. Welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. Today, we're going to learn something very useful. We're going to talk about the weather in English. The weather is a very popular topic. People talk about the weather every day. At work, with friends, with strangers, everyone talks about weather. So, are you ready? Let's start learning together. Why is weather so important? First, it's easy to talk about. You can start a conversation with anyone. For example, you meet someone new. You can say, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" That's it. Easy. Second, weather affects our daily life. We need to know, is it hot? Is it cold? Do I need an umbrella? Do I need a jacket? So today, you will learn weather words, simple sentences, real conversations, and the best part, we will practice speaking together. Let's go. Okay, let's learn our first weather words. Number 1, sunny. Listen, sunny. Repeat after me. Sunny. Great. What does sunny mean? It means the sun is shining. The sky is blue. It's a beautiful day. Example, it's sunny today. Number 2, rainy. Listen, rainy. Say it with me. Rainy. Perfect. Rainy means rain is falling from the sky. You need an umbrella. Example, it's rainy outside. Number 3, cloudy. Listen, cloudy. Your turn. Cloudy. Excellent. Cloudy means the sky has many clouds. The sun is hiding. Example, it's cloudy this morning. Number 4, windy. Listen, windy. Say it, windy. Good job. Windy means there is a lot of wind. The air is moving fast. Example, it's very windy today. Number 5, snowy. Listen, snowy. Repeat, snowy. Wonderful. Snowy means snow is falling. Everything is white. Example, it's snowy in winter. Let's review. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy. Amazing work! Now, let's learn how to talk about temperature. Temperature means, is it hot? Is it cold? Hot, hot. Listen, hot. Repeat, hot. Hot means very warm. The sun is strong. Example, it's hot today. I need water. Warm. Listen, warm. Say it, warm. Warm means a little hot but comfortable. Example, it's warm and sunny. Cool. Listen, cool. Repeat, cool. Cool means a little cold but not too cold. Example, it's cool in the evening. Cold. Cold. Listen, cold. Say it, cold. Cold means not warm. You need a jacket. Example, it's cold outside. Now let's make some sentences. It's sunny and hot. It's rainy and cold. It's cloudy and cool. It's snowy and very cold. You can also say, the weather is nice today. The weather is bad today. The weather is perfect. Excellent! You're doing so well. Now comes the fun part. Let's practice real conversations about weather. Conversation 1, meeting a friend. A, hi, how are you? B, I'm good. Beautiful weather today, right? A, yes, it's sunny and warm. B, perfect day for a walk. Let's practice. You are person B. Ready? Me, hi, how are you? You say, I'm good. Beautiful weather today, right? Great. Conversation 2. At work. A, good morning. B, good morning. It's very cold today. A, yes, I need my jacket. B, me too. Now you try. You are person B again. Me, good morning. You say, good morning. It's very cold today. Perfect. Conversation 3. Making small talk. A. Nice day, isn't it? B. Yes, it's beautiful. A. Is it sunny where you live? B. Yes, it's sunny and warm. You are person B. Let's go. Me. Nice day, isn't it? Pause. You say, yes, it's beautiful. Excellent. Now, here are some useful questions about weather. What's the weather like today? Is it raining? How's the weather in your city? And some answers. It's sunny, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's hot, it's cold, it's warm. The weather is nice. The weather is terrible. Let's practice one more time. I ask, what's the weather like today? You answer, it's sunny and warm, or it's rainy and cold. Wonderful, you're speaking English. Wow, you learned so much today. Let's review everything. Weather words: sunny, sun, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy. Temperature words: hot, warm, cool, cold. Useful sentences: it's sunny today. The weather is nice. It's cold outside. Questions: what's the weather like? Is it raining? How's the weather? Answers: it's sunny and warm. It's rainy and cold. The weather is perfect. Remember, weather is a great conversation starter. You can talk to anyone about weather. It's easy, friendly, and useful. Now you know how to talk about weather in English. I'm so proud of you. Great job, my friend. You did amazing today. Now I have a question for you. What's the weather like today where you are? Is it sunny, rainy, cold, hot? Write your answer in the comments. Practice your English with me. For example, write, it's sunny and warm in my city, or it's rainy today. I want to read all your answers. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel for more easy English lessons. Thumbs up this video if you learned something new. Bell turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Tomorrow, we have a new lesson about food vocabulary. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.